I built a lamp that shows the Bitcoin trend in real time. I wanted something more physical, something you can glance at instantly and understand whether Bitcoin is going up or down. So I decided to build a lamp that visualizes the trend using light. Green means the price is going up. Red means it's going down. And to make it actually useful, the lamp also pulls real-time Bitcoin data from the Binance API and displays the current price on a screen. The brain of the project is an ESP32 with Wi-Fi. It controls the LEDs, processes the data, and updates the display. First, I built the circuit on a breadboard to make sure everything worked as expected. Once all the components were connected, I wrote the code to control the LED animations and display the data. Then I uploaded it to the ESP32 using the Arduino IDE and connected it to the API. After the electronics were working reliably, it was time to turn this into an actual product. I made the enclosure out of 4mm plywood cut on a laser using the xTool S120W. The layers were glued together with wood glue. Then I sanded the edges and finished everything with oil. Next, I transferred all the electronics into the enclosure and soldered everything in place. As a final touch, I added cork pads to the bottom to protect surfaces and keep the lamp from sliding. The result is a visually clean and surprisingly informative device. With the touch sensor, you can switch between different modes and view the Bitcoin trend across multiple time frames: 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, and 1 week. I also added support for Ethereum. And for night use, you can reduce the brightness. And now, instead of opening an app, I can just look at this. Would you actually use something like this? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious if it's worth turning this into a real product. And if you're into projects like this, consider subscribing.